Hello student, welcome to my channel as that education tutorial. This video for 5th standard English chapter number 17 on the water. Activity based on extract. Read the following extra and do the activities. Question number 1. Name the following. Next. Question number 2. Complex flexual activity. Describe the screen in your own word. I have written all question answer myself for the convenience of student. If you write question answer, you can stop video and complete your book. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें और अपने दोस्तों को भी शेयर करें। थैंक यू।